Yeah, see this rhyme, it get hot, nigga. Yeah, nigga, trap a motherfucking meal. You understand me? Yeah, this rhyme, it get hot. Rhyme get hot, nigga. Yeah, like boiling motherfucking water. See my rhyme, it get hot, like boiling water. You see these malls in Minnesota, they had no order. I used to cruise around, bitch nigga, in that loose quarter. Pick up so many hoes off each and every corner. After I picked up, leasing by the dozen. Take him to the big dope dealer, yeah, my cousin. Then I get this night, and then I get this night. And then I brags about all the money that I miss. I had so much money, can't write it on a check. Jump into that deuce, go to the gas station. Fill my shit with unleaded, cause that's what transportation. Cause my rhyme, it get hot, nigga, like boiling water. You see these malls in Minnesota, they had no order. I used to cruise around you bitch nigga in that deuce court. Pick up so many hoes off each and every motherfucking corner. My rhyme, it get hot, like boiling water. You see these malls in Minnesota, they had no order. I used to cruise around you bitch nigga, they do support her. And I picked up so many hoes off each corner. Cause I'm cold off in this game. Don't make me have to flip out, man. And pistol whip your ass for sure. Cause you's a motherfucking mark, acting hard. You's a bitch in disguise. And I don't fuck with none of you old fake ass guys. Niggas wanna try to run up, you get gunned down. And I don't fuck around, nigga, I beat your ass down to your very last compound. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, I love the clown. Yeah, soldier off in the cut. Motherfucker, yeah, you get gunned up, gunned down. I don't give a fuck, nigga, we get 'em up, toe to toe. What you talking, get stole on. Yeah, cause my rhyme, it get hot, like boiling water. You see these malls in Minnesota, they had no order. I used to cruise around you bitch nigga, that loose quarter. And I picked up so many hoes off each corner. After I picked up at least about a dozen. Take them to the big dope dealer, my cousin. Then I get lit night, then I get pissed night. Then I brags about all the money that I miss night. That I had some money writing on a check. Jump into my deuce, go to the gas station. I fill my shit with unleaded, cause that's my transportation. I seen this little bitch, she starts to masturbating. I don't